Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to start with unit 3 of class 12th marketing, that is place and distribution. See, product we have done, price we have done in unit 2. Now comes place. Why place is important? Because the product that you have made, if it is not available at the right time and at the right quantity, then it makes no sense. So it is very much imperative, very much important to provide the product to the customer at the right time and in right quantity. Right? Okay. यहाँ पे देखिए meaning and importance we are going to discuss. Place here refers to, yes, place in the marketing mix refers to the channel or route through which goods move from factory to the final user. So in other words, I can put this in this particular form, that the goods move from place of production to the place of consumption. राइट तो इसमें प्लेस में बेसिकली प्लेस मीन्स चैनल और रूट जहां से गुड्स जो है वो मूव होते हैं फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन प्लेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन टू द प्लेस ऑफ कंजम्पशन. राइट नाउ प्लेस को हम इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज चैनल, distribution or intermediaries. So now the two definitions are given here. First is by Philip Kotler. Let's read this definition. Every producer seeks to link together the set of marketing intermediaries that best fulfill the firm's objective. This set of marketing intermediaries is called marketing channel. Now, as per Philip Kotler, distribution channel जो होता है, it is nothing but consist of intermediaries. Intermediaries का मतलब होता है middleman. तो the definition which is given by him indicates कि ये जो distribution channel है वो it is consist of middleman. Now, second definition it is given by William J. Stanton. Let me read this for you. A distribution channel for a product is the route taken by the title to the goods as they move from the producer to the ultimate consumer. So, what meaning is indicated by this definition? It indicates transfer of title of goods from producer to customer. तो जब भी goods move होते हैं producer से consumer तक, earlier who was the owner? Producer. Now, when the goods have moved on or passed on to the consumer, the ownership also passes on to him. Right? Now, participants of distribution system. Distribution system में कौन कौन involve होते हैं? The first one is manufacturer. Then second, intermediaries, or in other words you can say middlemen. Third, facilitating agencies, and fourth is consumers. So who is manufacturer? Manufacturer जो है वो starting point है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का. ये भी आपके एमसीक्यू में आ सकता है. हु इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, राइट? एंड हु इज मैन्युफैक्चरर? हु प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स. ये तो पता ही है आप लोगों को. देन कम्स इंटरमीडियरीज. इंटरमीडियरी जो है वो सेकेंड पार्टिसिपेंट है. सो दे आर मिडल मैन बिटवीन द बायर एंड द सेलर. विदाउट देम इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पास ऑन द गुड्स फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर टू द कंज्यूमर. ठीक है. एंड दे परफॉर्म वेराइटी ऑफ फंक्शंस विच वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल एज वी विल मूव फर्दर. सो in nutshell I will just read out the functions which they perform. In detail we will do it later on. These are the functions: buying, selling, assembling, so on. ये सारे functions कौन perform करता है? Middleman. Then comes facilitating agencies. Third participant है. And who are facilitating agencies? They are kind of business, independent business organization. ठीक है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं लूँ फैसिलिटेटिंग एजेंसीज के बैंकिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एजेंसीज एंड वेयर हाउसिंग कंपनीज. विदाउट देम इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू परफॉर्म द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन. वाई? जैसे बैंक्स हैं, दे समटाइम मैन्युफैक्चर he may lack funds to produce the goods. तो funds कौन देता है? Banking institution. मतलब कि ये facilitate करते हैं, help करते हैं. इसी तरह insurance company, it provides protection cover to the goods which manufacturer is producing. Transportation agencies के बिना it is difficult to move the goods from one place to another. ऐसे ही warehousing also helps in storing the goods. तो ये facilitating agencies है जो help करती है. Then consumer. Consumer is the fourth category of participant. ये final destination है goods का, right? तो these are the main four participants. So you can speak along with me. The first is manufacturer, second is intermediaries, third are facilitating agencies, and fourth are consumers. So in this video, I have explained you what does place means and what are the four participants of distribution system, right? So इसके ऊपर भी you can expect the question, ये आपका आ सकता है कि name the four participants of the distribution system. So hit the like button. I hope you have liked the video, and do share with your friends so that they can also take advantage of the content, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.